A very fresh good morning to my lovely kids. I hope you all are fit and fine and had a great weekend. Today is the turn of English subject and the topic is vowels. Again, all of you know how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. We have already done vowel A. Now we will start with vowel E. So let's start. 3-letter word with vowel E. First is W, E, B. Web. H, E, N. Hen. P, E, N. Pen. M, E, N. Man. T, E, N. Ten. R, E, D. Red. B, E, D. Bed. L, E, G. Leg. P, E, G. Peg. N, E, T. Net. J, E, T. Jet. P, E, T. Pet. W, E, T. Wet. Let's recap once again. W-E-B, web. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. B-E-D, bed. L-E-G, leg. P-E-T, pet. R-E-D, red. Now I request the parents to help their ward in reading these words once again. Thank you.